Here I have Thomson Tablet 13, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select preferred language. For me, English will be more fitting than Francois. Then you have to select your region, could be United Kingdom. Tap Start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you, okay. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Okay, then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Tap Accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also do this later in settings and just skip it right now, or just don't do this at all. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.